Looking to hold your top loaders? Got some nice ones, just not graded yet? This is going to be it for you. This is my top station, which is going to be top loaders. And you can see here, you can put different cards in, up to 6 for display. And it also does hold cards. Just take the lid off here. You can see here, we got a lot of cards in here. Right here is 60 cards. It holds 100 top loaders with cards in them. So I have some sports in here too, because sports are going to work the same way as Pokemon cards or TCG. I'll have these available in multiple colors. However, since this is new, I only have it in black to start. We'll see how it goes. And the lid is a nice tight fit, which is really good because then you don't have to worry about it coming off. You can see the lines are real nice. And these are my newest product. You can get it at hitprints.com if you just want to purchase one. Altogether, you're looking at about 106 cards, 100 inside and 6 on the outside. And it's nice and strong. Really impressed. So I got this idea because I created a graded card one. And this one is a bit bigger. And you can hold 25 graded cards inside. And they both just work so well to go through and put your cards on display. And they'll also be available at Hit Prints, and so is my dual fit dividers. Here you go through and use these to hold your cards up. And both sides, they work for vertical and horizontal. If you're interested in anything I've created, these are all original designs created by me, printed by me, sold by me. You can check it out at hitprints.com.